Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok glitching problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First tip, you could be scrolling too fast in TikTok like this. If you're scrolling too fast like this over here, then basically it's not TikTok glitching, it's basically the video is not loading in time. So the video takes a bit of time, like 1 second to load, but if you're scrolling like 2 or 3 times within a second, then it's not glitching, it's basically the video is not loading up. All right, so in that case, just scroll a bit slowly. The other thing could be your internet is slow. Sometimes the TikTok video doesn't load up due to your slow internet connection. So make sure to check your connection, and if it is not fast for running TikTok, then switch to other connection which is fast. And the other thing could be your TikTok needs update. What you need to do is go on App Store or Play Store, whichever thing you use to download apps on your phone, and then on that thing search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, if it says update, click on update to update TikTok. If it says open, click on open. So in my case, I need to update my TikTok, so I need to click on update to update my TikTok. All right. And the other thing could be like the TikTok servers are offline, which means they go under maintenance break from time to time. And if that's the case, the only thing you can do to fix is wait patiently until their servers are online again. To check if they're like under maintenance or not, ask 1 or 2 of your friends to use TikTok, and if their TikTok is also glitching, then it's probably their server which is under maintenance, and just wait for some time. And the other thing could be just delete your TikTok and reinstall it again. Just deleting and reinstalling your TikTok should also fix your problem sometimes. So yeah, that's how we guys can fix our TikTok glitching. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.